Hello babies, it's so good to have y'all back here with me again. I'm so happy y'all rocking with your girl. And I got something simple and cute for y'all, real chic and affordable. I'm tired of this front wig, so I need something different. You know what I'm saying? It's summertime where I'm at, and baby, we gotta pull out the ponytails. Alright. Next up, I'm gonna flat out my hair. I didn't make it super pressed because I will be using some spray to make it all hard up. I just want it to be a little flat, that way it can be straight. You know what I'm saying? Enough to get the job done. And I'll be using two sprays, by the way. The first spray I'll be using is, y'all already know this y'all favorite, the Got To Be hair spray, the freeze spray. Okay, my favorite is pumping up spray. I'm an OG. Like, I'm from Dade County. We love this pumping up spray. But these two products together work so good. They make your hair really, 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 really hard. Trust. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this all over my head. Now, the ponytail to the top, don't worry about that. It's just a guide to keep my hair going all the way to the top the way I like it. What I do also is I take a comb, right, and I part my hair into sections, and I just spray the springs there, and I brush it up, and I comb it up. And I do that all over, and what happened is it allowed my hair to be extra, extra flat. That way when I go ahead and blow dry my hair up, everything will be on point, everything will look good, and everything will be presentable, you know what I'm saying? So that really worked for me, guys. It really do.
Here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic. Mix in the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do. Let's go.
Now it's time to attach the ponytail. So what I did was I attached the elastic to the ponytail and I put it over my head like so. So you see my hair in the background, right? It's little. And you have two synthetic braids, 1, 2. I'm going to take my real hair in the back. I'm going to split it up for it can match the same synthetic hair that's long. And instead of just doing one braid, I'm going to go ahead and do 2 braids. I'm going to then split my hair with the braiding hair into 3 sections because you need 3 strings to braid your hair with. Well, plait your hair with also. And once it's all split up to the right side, I then will start to like plait my hair. And also, let me tell you, since my hair not flat iron real good, and by being short, I would have to take my real hair right and tuck it and hide it in to the synthetic hair as good as possible, because like I would have to unbraid my hair to make it like, I don't know, to make it nice and smooth. You can underbraid it, and then you can also like do regular braiding, either or. I prefer underbraiding with this technique because of my hair of being short. That's just me, you know what I'm saying? Whatever works for you, go ahead and do what you gotta do, boo. Get it done, keep it cute. What we do over here, we keep it cute. And once that, you're gonna go ahead and continue to start braiding it down like so. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and take some extra hair and attach it to the plait to make it real longer. And once that's braided to the end, I will do the second plait the same way as the first one, braid it all the way down and add some extra hair to it. This part right here is a must. It's crucial. You have to do this to your ponytail to make it official. Now, the same way I did my first hair, I'm going to take some second hair and put it on my ponytail like so. But we ain't going to braid that though. We're going to use this as the wraparound of the ponytail to make it nice and cute. And I'm going to just comb it, brush it, spritz it down to make it all flat. And then after that, I'm going to wrap this hair right here, each one at a time. So I'm going to have two. I'm going to wrap it around my ponytail. I'm going to build my ponytail all the way up. That way you won't know where my ponytail started at or where it finished at. It's just like a look that we got to do to make the ponytail solidified.
Let's go. Right, here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic, mix in the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do.